When you pick up the sound as well. Why? Are you sure that's Alessandro?
Wow, mate, look at him, you little camping bastard.
Aaron, are you going to show it to him? You're going to show it to Owen or Aaron? Aaron, you can't even lose anyway, so... Aaron, you can't lose.
Yeah, I know, but... It's still very, very annoying.
Dead.
Very much, yeah.
He's on camp.
This guy's mad.
Losing.
Made him rage quit.
Where the hell is the other guy?
And that made him rage quit. Yes?
Where's beef?
I'll answer your question.
Some poo.
There he is.
There's roast beef.
That little bastard.
There's Alessandro.
There he is.
And who you gonna show this to though?
I don't know. Never watched it on YouTube.
What? Alessandro is someone.
Might just make it unlisted.
Why unlisted?
What? Oh man, I accidentally stood up.
No, you should make it on YouTube so you can watch him snoring. 2 hours.
Come on.
Man, you're
Roast beef, mate, is shit.
you're on 9.
Yeah, no, but...
You're 4. How loud is he snoring? He's like on... It's funny because he fell asleep on his desk.
There he is. He's going up in that window.
Go back to him later. Squashing with it.
Come from over there.
I find it really easy to dodge Lantern Bay, so just go like this. But if you're running, it's very hard because you just dodge them down. You're at the exact same level that they are, so it's really easy to. It's actually really easy to run a claymore. Oh, that's a nice one. And you just dolphin diver and a claymore. Or just use and hack it. Like that. And I thought you had gold on this.
I do.
Why is it on there then?
You just want to use it, man.
That's a lot of killing. Ooh, MP7. I like MP7.
Yeah, I'll keep that in.
And is your favourite gun MSMC?
Yep. Yeah, I like the AN-94. This is my favourite gun.
Aaron, you've never used the AN-94.
Have.
When you use
Picked
it?
it up.
Yeah, it's an OP weapon. If you have select fire, it shoots in 2 bullets. Because they're the fastest it shoots. Look at the other place, I think. And just stay there. Get last kill. Oh, why did everyone back out or something? What, right at the start of the lobby? I can't believe how loud Alessandro snores.
No.
I don't know how he didn't work with his dad up. I can't get that. And what does COYG mean?
Come on, you gunners. Boom. Can I shut the door?
How long has he been recording?
Hello, sleepyhead. Sleepyhead.
Sleepy face.
He's sleepyhead. Right, I guess he's not there. He went to sleep.
No, he fell off his desk.
Yeah, probably.
Because like you could hear like something moving. Your best weapon is MP7 though. How is it not MC, MS, whatever?
Because I only just started using that last night. I played for about half an hour.
It's 16 unlocked tokens. What have you unlocked?
Nothing.
Not a bit much. Why?
Unlocked the
PW, the Type 25 I can see, Semtex, and a few perks. Why is this what?
Because it's a beast.
No, it isn't.
It is. I've used it many times.
And the swat's only good if you can get it as select fire, because you can make it fully automatic.
You trust me, it's a beast in 3 round. I'll try and get it on what's that, carrier, isn't it called?
That's a piece of crap, mate.
Yeah, I'm going to stop recording now. Stop.